Alright, hey YouTube, today I'm going to be opening one Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon tin. This is new, came out on the 1st of November, and yeah, let's get it open. Alright. Alright, here it is, Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon, and some other cards. Alright, here are the cards. Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon, Fossil Dyna Pachyphala, Guardian Ethos, Malefic Stardust Dragon, and Solemn Warning. Alright. So here are 5 booster packs, 2 Storm of Ragnaroks, 2 Extreme Victory packs, and a Generation Force pack. So let's start with the Generation Force. Jazzman, alright, let's go with Extreme Victory. Ooh, nice. TG Reciprocal Dragonfly. Synchro. Nice. Second Extreme Victory pack. Mech Lord Fortress, Karukuri Kashed, super rare. Alright. Storm of Ragnarok. Alright, last Storm of Ragnarok pack. Let's get it open. Scrap Worm. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe.